This video will guide you through the process of signing up for a new account on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Here we have the Binance homepage. Always make sure that you are using the legitimate Binance website. The website address is www.binance.com. In order to buy or sell cryptocurrencies on Binance, you must register for an account by clicking on the Register button that is located on the top right of the screen. Fill out the new registration form with your email address and set a strong password for your account. Click on the Create Account button and complete the puzzle. Binance will then email you a verification code, which you will be required to enter on the next screen in order to verify your Binance account.